Welcome back. Well, that cool change has well and truly hit the coastline of Adelaide. We've been swept in off the balcony here at the Henley Beach Surf Lifesaving Club, taking shelter from those winds inside now. But thankfully, temperature-wise, things didn't actually climb quite as high as what they were expected to today. We hit that top of 35.1 degrees this afternoon. The overnight low was just over 23 degrees, and right now that temperature's pulled right back to around that 26-degree mark. Now, this is what our change looked like. Take a look at the heat map here. We can see all of that heat pouring into the state from the north. Those arrows there indicating the wind direction, and as they flick around, we can see the cooler winds coming from the south really sweeping all of the heat out of the city there. Now, around town before that change hit, we saw 37 degrees in the southern suburbs, a 1 degree cooler in Elizabeth, mid-30s at the Bay and 31 degrees in the hills. Across the state, thundery showers over the northwest reaching 41 degrees in Coober Pedy, Port Pirie and Broken Hill, 38 degrees for Clare and 10 degrees cooler in Ceduna, one of the first places to feel that change today. Further south, Renmark received a few millimetres when a lightning storm hit, 38 in Mount Gambier and Murray Bridge and 31 for Port Lincoln. On the charts, our change is moving now across to the eastern states. That will cool things down there too. That will certainly be good news for Melbourne, where the temperature will drop from 41 today down to 19 degrees tomorrow. In the north, watch the temperatures fall. Roxby Downs back down to 27, 26 degrees in Coober Pedy, 24 degrees for Whyalla and Ceduna, and Maitland going for 23. In the lower southeast, we're still under the pump with fires burning as that change moves through, but we're now looking much calmer for tomorrow. Mount Gambier going for 19 degrees and mid-20s in the Riverland. We're still seeing some storms in the north, so a severe thunderstorm warning for the Flinders, northeast and west pastoral districts. On metro waters, winds turning south to southwesterly up to 25 knots before turning southeasterly in the early evening. Around the suburbs, 24 degrees for Elizabeth and the Bay, and 24 degrees is the magic number for Adelaide tomorrow as well. And on the 7-day forecast, we can see things looking much calmer and much more pleasant, Kate and Brenton, for the rest of the week.